Let me ask you a question. How was your day? Maybe you would say, I had a very good day. The food I ate was very nice. The movie I watched was very interesting. Do you hear that? Very, very, very. It's correct, but it's a little boring, right? Today, we are going to fix that. In just 5 minutes, I will give you 5 powerful words that will make your English sound much more natural. All right, number 1. Instead of saying something is very good, try using the word excellent. Excellent. For example, if someone asks, "How was the service at the restaurant?" you can say, "It was excellent." Or, "Your idea for the project is excellent." Another fantastic word you can use is, well, fantastic. We had a fantastic time at the party. Number 2. Let's look at the opposite. Instead of saying something is very bad, you can say awful or terrible. These words are much stronger. For example, I saw a car accident. It was awful. Or if you get a bad grade on a test, you might say, my score was terrible. Okay, number 3. When something great happens, instead of saying you are very happy, try saying that you are thrilled or delighted. Thrilled means you are extremely happy and excited. For example, I was thrilled when I heard the good news. Delighted is also a wonderful word. She was delighted with the beautiful flowers we gave her. Moving on to number 4. This is a very common one. After a long day, instead of saying you are very tired, a perfect word is exhausted. Exhausted. This means you have no energy left. For example, after running for an hour, I was completely exhausted. Or simply, I'm sorry, I can't go out tonight. I'm exhausted. And finally, number 5. When you will learn something new and amazing, instead of saying it is very interesting, you can use the word fascinating. Fascinating. For example, I watched a documentary about the ocean and it was fascinating. Or the stories he told about his travels were absolutely fascinating. All right, great job. We have 5 new powerful words: excellent, awful, thrilled, exhausted, and fascinating. Now it's your turn to practice. Your challenge is simple. In the comments below, write one sentence using one of the new words we learned today. For example, you could write, "The last concert I went to was fantastic." I will read as many as I can. I can't wait to see your sentences. I hope you enjoyed the very first 5-minute English fix. If you learned something new today, please consider giving this video a like and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our quick lesson next week. And of course, for longer, deep dive conversations, don't forget to watch our full podcast episode every Wednesday. Thank you for learning with me today. I'll see you next Sunday for another 5-minute English fix. Bye for now.